panelists of this program. At the very beginning, from the core of my heart, I would like to thank MTC Global founder, Professor Dr. Bholanath Datta, who has become a person, especially he has established himself in India as a think tank. And since 2009, he is arranging this World Edu Summit. I think it will be a red letter day for the whole nations, especially in India. And this World Edu Summit will bring a great success in future shaping of teaching and learning on now and onwards. The theme of this today's summit is very contemporary. Actually, on this topic, I have written an article. For time constraint, I will not go through the all, but I will mention the bullet points of my articles. Actually, shaping the future of teaching learning, it is very challenging for nowadays, for all, especially for teachers and students. It is an innovations and new trends. Actually, as we advancing into the 21st century, the landscape of teaching and learning is undergoing transformation, changes driven by technological advancement, evolving pedagogical theories, and shifting societal needs. Actually, I will mention some points which are related to the theme shaping the future of teaching and learning, that is integration of technology. Actually, one of the most significant change in education is the integration of technology. Digital tools and platforms are recognizing the way educators teach and students learn. Learning management system to model and canvases are facilitating easier access to resources and fostering collaboration. Additionally, interactive technologies such as augmented reality, that is known as AR, and virtual reality, that is known as VR, are enhancing experimental learning. These tools provide immense experience that can simulate real-world scenarios, making complex concepts more accessible. My second point is that personalized learning. Actually, personalized learning, which tailors an education scientist experiences to individual student needs preference, is gaining traction. Advanced in data analytic and artificial intelligence, that is known as AI, are enabling educators to customize learning paths based on students' strengths, weakness, and interest. Systems like Dreambox and Smart Sparrow use adaptive learning technologies to provide real-time, like Facebook, and adjust the difficulties of tasks. These approaches not only supports differently interactions, but also promotes students' engagement and autonomy. And my third point is that competency-based education. Actually, competency-based education focuses on students' democratic mastery of specific skills and knowledge rather than progressing through a set curricula at a uniform pace. This model allows the students to advance upon mastering content rather than based on time spent in class. I think CBE is particularly beneficial for the adult learners and those with very educational backgrounds, providing a more flexible and efficient path to achieving educational goals. Number 4, blended learning. Actually, blended learning combines traditional face-to-face instruction, these online activities creating a more flexible learning environment. This hybrid model leverages the strength of both modalities and offering students opportunities for self-paced study while maintaining the benefits of in-person interaction. Research indicates that blended learning can enhance student outcome by providing diverse learning experiences and improving access to educational resources. During the COVID time, this world was integrated of technologies, especially in blended learning. Through establishing in blended learning, we operated our educational activities, academic activities all over the world during the COVID time. That's why this blended learning has achieved enormous popularity all over the world. Actually, next point is lifelong learning and micro-credentials. As the pace of change accelerated in the job market, the concept of lifelong learning has become increasingly important. Micro-credentials or digital base are gaining popularity as a means of acquiring specific skills and competences outside of traditional degree programs. Institutions such as Coursera and edX offer different types of courses, and that are now going to develop the professional development of different countries of the world. Next, emphasis on social emotional learning. Actually, this integration of social emotional learning into educational curricula is becoming more prevalent. Shell programs aim to develop students' emotional intelligence, resilience, and interpersonal skills, which are essential for both personal and professional success. Education institutions are increasingly doing these things on this point, because AI hasn't any emotional movement, but as a human being we have the emotional movement. So social emotional learning can help the students to build up their careers and for future shaping of learning for the teachers as well as the students. And then my next point is global collaboration and learning. It is very important because now it's the global village. Global collaboration in education is expanding day by day, facilitated by digital communication tools, the content classrooms and learners across the borders. And now, these points has also some challenges and considerations, because despite these advancements, there are challenges to consider. Issues such as digital devices, data privacy, and the need for professional development for scholars as well as the educators must be addressed to ensure equitable access to educational innovation. Additionally, effectiveness of new technologies and methods should be continually accessed to ensure they meet the diverse need to all learners. Actually, the future of teaching and learning is being shaped by a confluence of technological advancement, pedagogical innovations, and societal change. By embracing these developments, educators can create more personalized, flexible, and engaging learning experiences. However, it is crucial to address the associated challenges to ensure these advancements benefit all students equitably. Actually, in near future, teachers will not get chance to pass their times in the classroom. It will be very little in the classroom. If they want to pass their time more, it will be not possible. And students will not be busy in the classroom, they will be busy in the online platforms. And last but not the least, actually digital platforms has reduced the geographical barriers for the students as well as for the teachers. At a time, in the digital platform, teachers can teach so many students. It can be happen in different parts of the world through online or digital platform. And AI and ChatGPT, maybe these two modern technologies are creating place for the teachers and students, but we have to think as a human being, for as well as for the teachers and educators for future shaping of teaching and learning. What will be the most powerful for us? It is the question nowadays. So we have to settle that, and we have to receive the modern technologies as well as as a human being. We have to establish our own capacity as well. Thanks all of you for patient sharing. Thank you everyone, and thanks the founder of MPC Global to invite me. Thank you once again.
So thank you so much.